I recommend getting your heart traveled on to anyone. Yeah. I recommend walking around naked in your living room. Yeah. Swallow it down, but a jagged little. It feels so good, swimming in your stomach. Wait until the dust settles. You live, you learn, you love, you learn, you cry, you laugh, you lose, you learn, you bleed, you learn, you scream, you learn. I recommend biting off more than you can chew to anyone. I certainly do. I recommend sticking